Abusa Jet Big Map TV Sunni and the Jumadi and one fabulous the Kotoko news updates and no me koso a work darling club Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the Brom Kumasi Asante Kotoko and a MET press and Momo Etuchin and Common and Dr. Prosperity Ogum coach at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the Nsembi Bina Betuja 1 or the Nsembi Abetuja at a senior players are and a own you saw more a club we drew a league match and as a match there. On time and you saw monom or sad in Sembi as I to a day, and as well Cassa as I afa a supporters are a Umudi Kumasi Asante Kotoko team Nechinum, Koe Prosperity Ogum, Asabeka and Sem, as I found what could be at a fight justice blade and so on. Abusia won't subscribe for mammy. He say Kumasi Asante Kotoko old players no, and they prosper Nati Ogum say, among us turning into politicians. Old players and as senior players no are turning into politicians. A didn't na Prosperity Ogum Ekasa e de ho enseme den e bra e odwumadi so unsubscribe ya make sure say o be subscribe e di amame na turn on notification button say de be ya drop new fabulous our video bia no you will be the first person na onsa e den e beka sa video no Dr. Prosperity Ogum empenifo e de na central for ene ni share baba yara ayano Aromoto tunano edifa Kumasi Asante Kotoko abysmal performance amo have this season. The league has the last 4 games of Kumasi Asante Kotoko abo against Nations FC, against Bichem United Bobukuno, against Insatramai, and the last game na no mobo baba yara ko pamaso which is against Dreams FC no. Kumasi Asante Kotoko draw mienu and heading omelusu 2. So what's happening into your darling club Kumasi Asante Kotoko? And they Prosperity Ogum after saying central for Busano concerning the old players no and as in senior players no semi Prosperity Ogum edit two Johnny say Kumasi Asante Kotoko players no some mobile ball bokunum no more sign contracts no more 1 year na 2 years na omo performance eco form na coach or no enter you so ma na fe omo than politicians omo sorry in sema eco so e wo camp no no more the radio stations no so move feedi radio stations no say the be ya almost ebeke biama players no almost be benya position say match day no so benya the match play time enti Prosperity Ogum say one thing na onyusu senior players ni bi ne say omo na nkasa no adane omo politicians omo sorry instead of some focus so na omo training no omo nye training na omo sorry omo dane omo politicians no mo feedi journalists ni bi some radio stations ni bi den news so camp na radio stations no bashom. So one of the main reasons nowadays one time we say Prosperity Ogum use senior players ni bi no and it's a players no performance abafom and no Daniel mo den politicians and so on.
Players were brought in, Division 2 players were brought in. It's all about the coach thinking that those players can help. So if you are an old player and you never worked with the coach, or you have even worked with the coach, let me even say you never worked with the coach, and you know who the coach is and what the coach represents, and the coach comes and you think that you can be a politician within the club. I tell them most of you are politicians. I know, but I don't want to mind you. Players stay in Kotoko after 1-2 years, they turn into politicians. They use the media to fight for positions to play. But me as a coach, you will never get.
Prosperity Ogum esa twaso de nsembe to supporters denim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters no munimane say omoba baba yara ko pamaso a eyanse Kotoko win ba ewi asena na say football na ngase yebo no it goes with win, lose or draw. Ni say Nebuba Stadium na mantimi anase Kumasi Asante Kotoko boboku no entimi win game na ene kwanse mu put more pressure players no because of say young players na matim abe join Kumasi Asante Kotoko boboku no ebi no pressure bi na emre bi na Kumasi Asante Kotoko na say supporters ne manto muntimi esana na players no are distracted no muntimi focus ball no say Kumasi Asante Kotoko lose game na omo run to next game no mo sa da form e ka ba akokra na the way supporters ni be say no ama players na spirit e dey eba for me because of say supporters ni aim ni na mo ba stadium and say Kotoko has to win and or assure supporters say so mo ba stadium na omo nya abotre enye match bia na e bia win e be kwa mo na say draw be kwa sometimes omo betimi lose because omo create chances na mum goals na eden emma On my last 4 games, on my boy, on the 8 team, on my creative chances, pan, finishing, no, and they're very poor. They have to work on it. And say, Adebakwa, or can I say Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and then supporters in Yabote, Nastina, they should trust the process.
We are ahead of them, but then because we are unable to take our chances early, as the game unfolds, and because these young guys cannot withstand the pressure from the fans, so sometimes mentally they go off, and when they go off, it distorts our structure on the field of play, and this at the end goes to affect us. And this is where I have some sort of how should I say, an issue with the supporters. We are playing, we are creating chances, the goals are not coming. Even the opponent scores, and we are still creating chances. And you are hooting and mooing at the players. How do they equalize? And how can they go up? If indeed you are a true supporter. And we see it elsewhere in Europe, other places. Look at when Ali played against Sundance. Ali got a penalty, they missed. And look at Cairo International Stadium. They were still behind the team. Even when the added on time was shown, they were still there. And when the game was over, they were still there, chanting. That is the spirit of a team. So you don't only come to stadium or with the expectation that you are coming to, you expect that we should win. And we are not winning, or we are creating chances, we are not scoring. So you turn against your own team. When you do that, you are not helping the boys. And you and I know very well that the kind of players we have now do not have that Kotoko spirit, that mentality. The mentality of the Opokuntis, the Kwesi Appiahs and what have you, even the Eric Bequins and what have you. They don't have it.
Or twice also a casting being edified senior players and we say a dainty particular on tie and you see senior players and they say training grounds on putting much effort. More performance above form cry. So it means above performance and there. And so you the new players now then. What more Eddie about Bobo Kunumono? The new players no, and then also because of the old players and as a senior players nibino about training grounds no more performance no, and then above form ye pa. And so you for be at was busana brand no justice blay and so one sense. Oh, ana prosper Asante Ogum. Edin simbe to drive for justice blay. We say sometimes justice blay per se usi a kind. No per doctor's report in intino. Na say ordinary tenant chain. I say a total be crying out because coach I am fit. But it's and say doctor so I imagine say among ma a brand friend justice blay and risk it day ni injury intino. Normally the report about say match we so mixy. No mama Justice Blay I aware say so Justice Blay near fit in quality as any center trainer and as a place me say some bone finfini there say Justice Blay then it me can be so Justice Blay fit in quality there's no way or then a better than chain now then wama ada for frabo or a fully fit in quality Justice Blay will get chance or the starting 11 or mad day squad in him. Nemo prosper Asante Ogum akan se mebrebe na say ma prosper Asante Ogum etino maybe as say the dynamic and Kumasi Asante Kotoko is not an academy team matramakwe oh enya academy team matramakwe so Ogum should stop that critics no na on work no ntimi menya the right results for our darling club. One, Ogum, you have to understand say opem so nana ose tutu ababiu emma uska abrote IMC no se fafa the right players efabra bobuku se de beya Kumasi Asante Kotoko the African club of the century na yim na ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko anthem na teams ni betetehwe no yen san nya sa energy ne back ba wogi iska na de wura division 2 wogi iska na sa de wura academy players. And you know, say if the players cannot face that critics now, and Kumasi Asante Kotoko a team as will lose so much, and our board to so the pressure will come. So if you know, say those players now will bring you on board, cannot face that critics now, and as a pressure now. Why did you bring them to our darling club at the first place? Why? So what didn't buy? Because of say majority of the players in one out Tomo at the bad team. You say make a senior players who come as Asante Kotoko no crano. Omundru ebi abe 5 and 6. Players all do na one ahead. Odi omoba the team nim. Cause Danlad, Felix, Frederick Asare, Eric Zeze, Richard Lamte, Mukwala Mone. A lot of the players now can one ahead. Odo moba ahead. Ball book. And one thing it will hurt Kumasi Asante Kotoko is the next game against Samates, Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Winia, then it will bring more pressure on you. So there was no need for you to organize this press conference. There was no need. Now you have to focus, win your next game. As an energy don't sabba club, and then you push for the press conference and say that be able to mama support starting maybe I say, oh, when you went in and that me a winning game, but still we are back on track. So we are going to win games for our darling club Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So first place, Nippon will organize a press conference man will cause a bad harm for our darling club and you prosper Asante Ogum. Why pakwana de no kwanso will call for any press conference. And any baby as Europe say no be in Chelsea. Any Chelsea say now season no man kuye. But Pochettino to me enko call for press conference. I don't remember for me call for press conference. Zentren for UK mra. No me be send questions about the entire performance in enko form. And this press conference, if say Kumasi Asante Kotoko and me winning game against Samatesa, a pressure never but prosper Asante Ogum sono. I'm sure club bush and won't mean so. So I'm more than fan some prosper Asante Ogum and I to be concerning new players now. Maba Bobo Kunum. Our multi pressure and senior players now so more performance I for more training grounds and you so mono plus supporters are so munyabu tere come back stadium momo even mezi be winning no man kuye munyabu tere ekoso e baby any abrante fene justice blame and some prosper Asante Ogum and arabe to jan mamu adwenkyere comment section one jumadi fabulous Kotoko updating kwa na busia fabulous our emreswa yedi ebro ana channel use a big mouth TV to make sure say oh be subscribe edi amame na turn on the notification but say the Kotoko news be buy na mo sabe kasa news ni bi na the waba channel use na waba behwe